Welcome to SME Snapshot, taking the guesswork out of managing small and medium-sized businesses. This is the dashboard that makes running your business finances simpler, smarter, and way more efficient. This is your guide to signing up smoothly and seamlessly. SME Snapshot integrates with Xero, QuickBooks, and Sage, pulling your existing financial data to generate smart, real-time ratios that help you make better business decisions. Ready to dive in? Click. Try for free to get started. This quick guide will walk you through every step. Let's grow your business together. Fill out the sign-up form and hit register. Pro tip: use the same email you use for your accounting software. This makes onboarding faster and smoother. Check your inbox for an email with the subject "Register with SME Snapshot." Click the link inside to confirm your registration. Pro tip: can't see it? Check your spam or junk folder. It might be hiding in there. If not, check your email address security to add team@smesnapshot.com as a safe email address and re-register. Now let's move on to the good stuff. Sign in using the same email and password you just created. Then choose the accounting software you use: Xero, QuickBooks, or Sage Accounting. Select your accounting platform and you will be redirected to their website. Enter your details, pick the organization you want to connect, and hit Continue. Here's where the magic happens. This is your real-time dashboard, a one-page view of your most important numbers: revenue, expenses, net profit, debtors, creditors, and cash flow. Plus, key deadlines like taxes, annual filings, and compliance alerts. All in one place, all in real time. Congrats on choosing SME Snapshot, the world's first one-page business management dashboard designed for growing enterprises. You'll never miss a deadline again or be blindsided by financial surprises. Need help or have questions? Contact us at team@smesnapshot.com. We've got your back. Here's to smarter decisions and stronger growth. Let's go!